Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to continue off from my last one where I replaced the tensioner. So after doing that, I've decided to also check another issue on the bike where I had a bit of stuttering when accelerating. The kind of stuttering where the rear wheel starts to engage on the clutch. And that usually means that the rollers are starting to have some flat spots on them. So today I'm going to be removing the variator and checking these rollers. So this is the tool you will need to hold the variator in place. It has these two little like notches which go into these holes on the variator itself. And then you simply have someone hold it on, or in my case, just gonna make it hold on the clutch and then simply undo the center nut, which is a size 19. So now we've got all the parts out. So this is the variator, and these are the rollers that were inside. So we've had Malossi 9 grams in this scooter. It's very easy to find the flat spots on these rollers, so just give them a good look. And for example, this one has a huge flat spot up here. You can also feel it with your finger. This part is not rounded at all, and it feels very flat. And what this causes is a lot of stuttering when you're accelerating with your scooter. Also, another easy way to find out if you have a flat spot is just put a piece of plastic or some flat top at an angle and put the roller, and it doesn't roll down. So I'm gonna keep the same weight because it's got quite a good grab at 9 grams. So the lower you go, the faster the scooter will accelerate. The higher grams you go, the more top speed you'll have, but less acceleration. So these are the new rollers that I will be putting on. They are RMS, it's an Italian brand, and they are 9 grams also. So in this case, it's 20 by 12 millimeters for the rollers on the XMAX 1 to 5. So first thing we're gonna do is give a good clean to everything, put the rollers back into place, and just assemble everything in reverse order that we remove them. So now what we're gonna do is put this little plate that holds the rollers. So this should be on the inside, the first thing that goes in. And it has these little 3 plastic tabs that go on these notches here. And after that, we're gonna grab the variator with the rollers in and just put this little plate on top of it. So this is how it looks on the back. Note how the those little plastic tabs that we inserted just now, they go through this little notch and it locks into place. So now what we're gonna do, just hold it with your hands from the back and just match the splines on the shaft and just put it in. So we've got this one little washer that we removed earlier. So this goes just right here. So if once we've got the variator and the plate inside, we're gonna put the belt. So once we have the belt properly in the clutch and the variator, we're just gonna put the front plate back on the variator. So once we've tightened the middle nut on the variator, we're gonna torque that down to 55 Newton meters. And if you are working also on the clutch, you need to torque this down to 60 Newton meters. Also, very good idea while you're here and before you assemble the variator, check the belt, make sure it doesn't have any cracks and that it's in a good condition. I've already checked mine, obviously, and it's still in good condition and I don't need to replace it. So we are ready from replacing the rollers also on the scooter. We're gonna be good for a couple thousand of kilometers. Now again, you're gonna be needing the stool for the variator to hold it into place. I will leave a link for the stool in the description of this video. And yeah, the other tools are pretty simple, just the normal sockets, 19 and 10 millimeter. But other than that, all you need is a bit of time to do this job. So I hope I have helped you in replacing your own rollers. Thanks guys for watching and I will see you in the next one.